Hey guys, this is Tweenie. I'm back in R&R Comics. Today I have a Play Arts collection, Harley Quinn, number 4. I'm so excited. I've never reviewed this before. Let's get started. Alright, so this is somewhat out of the box. This is in the front part and this is in the back part. We got the stand and some interchangeables locks. Let's start with this. Oh darn, is it taking? Fantastic. That only took one person, kind of. That magic hand just came out of nowhere. Alright. Oh, very nice. I like the quality on this one. We got some moldable plastic here for her skirt so far. The joints can actually lock in place. Pretty cool, so you can actually just have her in a pose. Ow, and stay there. Oh, hey, look! The details in the shoes are fantastic. Look at the shoelaces. Oh, the shading is great too. Oh, hey, look at the back detail. Ah! Along with the rivets on the sides. Ooh. This is so cool. Oh, and the armbands. The face is fantastic. The makeup is just so cute. The hair on the hair. Oh, look at that! They just made like little braids. I'm not sure if you guys can see that up close. We're gonna try to get that. Oh! So it's not just like some straight little mid section for the ponytails. They actually interchange it. That's so cute. Can't really do that in person. Probably could. I just don't do hair. Oh, hey! The back details! On the corset, the lace. You can see the little quilted patterns here. And, oh. This would just be so painful to cosplay, but it looks amazing. The hands move. Nails aren't painted, but you do see some parts for the nail right there. That's pretty cool. Oh, hey! The ruffles move! Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this. Oh. Now, the corset is actually of harder plastic than the skirt. This is really movable. Shading on the leggings is fantastic. So is the boot part. You can see it right there. I love that. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, well, onto the interchangeable parts. We have the head right here. The pigtails actually move. Do they? Do they? Do they? They do! Hey! Okay, I'm gonna see if I can put that on. Okay. Just a little socket joint there. The expression. That's awesome. I want to break this. Oh, get in there. She's got a little face. What? What'd you say to me? Her. Okay. The face comes off! What? Oh, I want to point that out if I could. Alright, this is going to look a little scary, but the face actually comes off, so you want to switch faces but have the movable pigtails. That's pretty cool to know that you can just do that. Oh, it's just like a peg to stick in, nothing magnetized, no socket joints. Magic hand is going to come in and just do all that. Oh, she also comes with that little hat. Got a 3D little embellish of the police right there. Gotham City Police, probably. Yeah. See if it fits on her head. Probably not, because I had to pick those up. Or does it fit on the other head? Oh, that would suck. I just took it off. You know, it probably fits on this one. Oh, darn. This is a box. How does it do that? Oh well. This somehow fits on the head. I'm not gonna really try to figure that out yet. Probably later. She does come with 4 hands that interchange. We got 2 fists and 2 semi-open hands. This is for the gun. Let's see which one this one goes. Okay, fantastic. Cool. Along with props. Oh yeah. Alright. Dude. Get in there. Dude. Gun's not going in. That is a tight fit. We're gonna move on. She got her baseball bat too. Dude. I'm gonna flip everything up because there's still stuff in here. Oh! Got a little metallic silver spray paint here, along with some red. And they have some damage effect too, which is really cool, like scuffed up red paint. It's supposed to come like that. Before anyway. Just a little note. Got the other side. Not kinda sure. Now what hand is this supposed to be in? Probably this one. Oh, but I'm already having problems putting things into hands. Damn it. Oh well. But yeah, she's a great figure to have, and overall I recommend it. So these are really cool. Very articulate action figures. I really recommend them to have in your collection. Also to play with. You can keep just changing up their poses. Oh yeah. Anyways, guys, you can order these at R&R Comics, and I'll see you guys next time. So, if you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe. Bye! Right, you can even see some details right here on the boots, too. Little wrinkles there. Him sitting on there.